Oh my goodness, hi! I didn't see you there. How are you, bunnies? How are you, Smurfs? How is everyone? I was just drinking my juice. Yeah, you're saying, what are you doing, Miss Viola? I'm drinking my orange juice. Ah, it's delicious. So yummy in my tummy. Yeah, I was drinking. Today we're going to talk about what are you doing? What are you doing? Let's see. Little lamb wants to know, what are you doing? What are you doing over there? What is that? What, David? Asha, what are you doing? What are you making? Oh, is that a little snail I see? How cute. Mikolai, what are you doing? Are you making a forest? Wow, how cute. Oh, I think I see Natasha. She's playing over there. Hi, Natasha. Have fun playing. Is that Mateusz petting his cat? Oh, look at Mateusz petting his kitty. Nice, kitty. Nice, kitty. Oh, you're silly, lamb. You're so silly. It's a cute little lamb wants to know what everybody's doing. I want to know what everybody's doing too. I mean, what are you doing? Look at this baby. What is baby doing? Baby is drinking. The baby is drinking. Like I was drinking. The baby is drinking juice. I am drinking my juice. Yummy. What about you? What are you doing? Are you playing? Are you running? Are you chasing your sister or your brother? Are you doing jumping jacks? Jumping jacks. Are you playing peekaboo? Hide and seek? Let's see what everyone is doing. What is he doing? What is he doing? He is running. He is running. Can you say he is running? Very good. What is this man doing? He is, what is that? He is cooking. He is cooking. He is cooking. Cooking. He's cooking. Very good. Oh, she must be having what her dad just cooked. What is she doing? She is eating. Nom, 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 nom. She is eating. Repeat. She is eating. Very good. You guys are excellent. Oh, I love doing this. Do you like to do this? You do? Okay, now what is it? He is swimming. He is swimming. Repeat. He is swimming. Very good. Oh, this is something we do every day. Every day. I just did this before in the park. What is this? She is walking. She is walking. That's right. She is walking. Excellent. Oh. Now here's a group of people doing the same thing. They are walking. How many people are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids. 5 kids, and they are walking. They are walking. Yes, good job. Oh, this is something I was just doing before. Yes, drinking. He is drinking. He is drinking. Drinking. That's right. Very good. What is this? I I love doing this. This is so much fun. And I miss doing this with you guys at the school. I can't wait to see you again so we could do this again at the preschool. She is drawing. She is drawing. She is drawing. Drawing. Very good. She's drawing. Very good. You like to draw? Yeah, me too. Oh, this is something I'm going to do soon because it's getting late. I think you're already doing this. What time is it? What time is it? Yeah, you're definitely doing this. He is sleeping. He is sleeping. Yes, he is sleeping. He's sleeping. He's sleeping. Very good. You did excellent today. I'm so proud of you. Good job. Are you ready to read a quick short story with me? You are? All right, let's go. All right, are you ready to read with me? What are you doing? What are you doing? What is she doing? What do you think she's about to do? This is a chef's hat. And what does a chef do? They cook. That's right. All right, let's see. What are you doing, Sally? What are you doing, Sally? What do you think Sally's doing? You think she's riding a bike? You think she's... Do you think she's walking her dog? Let's see. What are you doing, Sally? I'm running. Sally is running. I'm running. You guessed it? You guessed that she was running? Wow. Who's this? What are you doing, Jose? What's this? What's this? Did you say that's a straw? That is a straw. Did you say, I think you guessed it. I'm drinking juice. Jose is drinking juice. I'm drinking juice. Good guess. Oh, look who it is. What are you doing, Emmy? I think we already know this. That's right. Emmy is cooking. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Who's next? Oh, what are you doing, Ken? What are you doing, Ken? Who knows what this is? Is he riding a bike? Is Ken riding on a bike? Are you sure? Oh, you're so smart. That's right. Ken's swimming. I'm swimming. I'm swimming. Good guess. What are you doing, Maria? What are you doing, Maria? Did you say singing? Is she singing? Let's see. Oh, she's walking. I'm walking. But you know what? She could sing and walk at the same time. Yeah. And who is she walking? What's this? That's right. Wait, you mean that's not a cat? That's right. That's a dog. And what are these? Clouds. That's right. These are clouds. And what color are the clouds? Blue. Excellent. And what is this she's walking on with the dog? Grass. Very good. You guys are so smart. I love it. What are you doing, Leo? What are you doing, Leo? What is this? What is that? That's right. That's a flower. And what is this? What is that? A marker? No, Miss Viola. It's a pencil. That's right. Leo's holding a pencil. And I'm drawing a picture. I'm drawing a picture. I'm using my pencil to draw a flower. Good job. Good guesses. What are you doing, Hannah? What are you doing, Hannah? Is she sleeping? It looks like she might be sleeping. No? Oh, you are right. She's not sleeping. I'm eating. I'm eating. She is eating. She is eating. Oh. What are you doing, Kazu? What are you doing, Kazu? What does it look like he's doing? I'm sleeping. Good night. That's right. He's sleeping. I'm sleeping. Good night. Kazu is sleeping. He is sleeping. Good guess. Oh, and what is this? That's right. That's the moon. And what are these little dots over here? Did you say? You did. You said stars, didn't you? Very good. That's right. That's the moon and the stars. Excellent. What are you doing? What are you doing today? I want to know. What are you doing? Little Lamb wants to know, did you enjoy that story? Was that fun? I love that story. What are you doing? I'm going to have some of Miss Viola's juice. I'm thirsty and I'm drinking her juice. Oh, Miss Lamb, what are you doing? Silly. I'm glad to see you here today and I hope you had a fun time and I hope you enjoyed the story and I can't wait to see you next time. Have fun doing whatever you're doing. I want to know what you're doing. Maybe put some comments down below in the comment section. Let me know. What are you doing today? All right. See you next time. Bye. 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 Have a great day.